In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Airtable automatically. Whether you're managing large data sets or just looking for an efficient way to streamline your data, removing duplicates is crucial to maintaining accuracy and reliability in your records. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to head over to Airtable's website. Simply open your browser and type in airtable.com. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it to proceed. Now, you might already have your credentials ready, so go ahead and enter your login details. If you have multi-factor authentication, ensure that step is completed as well, and once that's done, hit continue. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on your Airtable homepage. From here, you'll need to locate your project, so click on the project that you want to work with. It might say example project if it's a template or testing grounds. Navigate through your list of projects until you find the one where duplicate entries need to be cleaned. Next, in your project dashboard, you'll see a menu named Extensions. Click on it, and a new panel should appear on the right hand side. Navigate to the Add an Extension button, and you'll be prompted with a search bar. In this search bar, type dedupe. This tool is specially designed for what we're trying to accomplish here. After typing dedupe, you'll see the option pop up in the results. Simply select it and click on Add. This will integrate the extension into your existing project setup. Once it's added, you'll need to select a table to work with. Click the Pick a Table option and choose the table you'd like to review for duplicates. Now that your table is selected, identify the record or field you suspect contains duplicates. Typically, this might be something that gets updated often, like notes, assignee, status, or budget. Select the specific record that needs attention and scrutinize it carefully. To do this, click on your desired option that appears to detect duplicates. After sifting through and selecting records, you'll have the chance to review a set of duplicates. Once you identify a duplicate, select a particular record within the set. This is an important step as you'll be choosing which record should be retained as the primary. To proceed with merging, click on Use as Primary Record for the record you wish to keep. After making your decision, it's crucial to click Merge and Delete two records to ensure that any unnecessary mirrored data is effectively removed. Finally, confirm the process by clicking on Merge. And that's it! You've efficiently cleaned up your table, making sure your data is more accurate and streamlined. By following these steps, you can easily manage duplicates in your Airtable, helping you maintain a neat and organized workspace. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful.